In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Charles Schwab to invest. We'll walk through a simple, beginner-friendly workflow so you can place your first trade with confidence and set yourself up for long-term success. First, make sure your account is funded. From your Schwab dashboard, go to Move Money, then Transfers. Link your bank by following the on-screen prompts and transfer cash into your brokerage account. Transfers can take a little time to arrive, and some funds may need to settle before they're available to trade, so plan ahead. Funding is always step one. Next, decide on your goal. Are you building long-term wealth, saving for retirement, or trying short-term trading? Your time horizon and risk tolerance will guide what you buy and how often you invest. A clear plan helps you stay consistent, ignore noise, and build more wealth over time. Now choose what to invest in. For most beginners, diversified funds are the easiest place to start. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, give you broad exposure in one purchase and usually have low fees. Index funds and mutual funds offer similar diversification and are great for set-and-forget investing. If you want to own individual companies, consider large, established blue-chip stocks. These options help spread risk instead of relying on a single pick. When you're ready to place your first investment, go to Trade. Enter a ticker symbol like AAPL as an example. Choose your order type. A market order aims to buy instantly at the current price when the market is open. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. The trade fills only if the market reaches that price. Enter the number of shares or the dollar amount if applicable, tap Review to confirm the details, then place order. Once it executes, you'll see the position in your account. Build a simple portfolio you can maintain. One or two broadly diversified ETFs can cover hundreds or even thousands of stocks. If you enjoy researching companies, you can optionally add one or two individual stocks alongside your core funds. Keep it straightforward and diversified so a single move doesn't dominate your results. Finally, invest regularly and monitor without overtrading. Add money monthly and buy on a consistent schedule. That steady habit, combined with compounding, is a powerful engine for long-term growth. Check performance occasionally to ensure you're still aligned with your goal, but avoid emotional buying and selling. History shows patient, long-term investing typically beats trying to time the market. Stick to the plan, keep costs low, and let time do the heavy lifting.